Welcome to homework.
Power is given by V times I. Then V we have is 110 volts multiplied by the current, which is 9. Then the power, this is the power we get. So the work done, power and work relation is power is equal to work done per unit time. So in 1 minute, work will be power times, in 1 minute we have 60 seconds. So power we have here is 110 times 9 times 60. This gives us approximately nearly 60. So this is work. So 60,000 joules of energy.